Hello, I'm Laura Ares. I'm 25 years old and I come from Cali, one of Colombia's biggest cities. I recently graduated as part of my class of two different majors, industrial design and industrial engineering. But I like to think of myself as more than just a designer or an engineer. I consider myself a problem solver.
My majors have given me the skills to look at the problems from two different perspectives. The engineer in me sees the world in numbers, is very analytical and logical, looks for sources of information to build reasoning, and looks at situations in the more objective way. The engineer me cares about values, revenues, and indicators. The designer, on the other side, is the more passionate me, uses intuitions, observations, and experiences to build tangible information. It's my practical part that discovers the usability and relevance in every process or piece of information. The designer is also a more human me, that loves teamwork and that knows that ultimately everything that we create is made with the purpose of satisfying someone's necessity. I have worked at Bavaria SAP Miller as a temporary human resources assistant where I got a taste of how multinational works. Later at Gesta Design as part of the design team, where I learned about the design processes and how to work as a team. At Occidentales, I did it part-time where I learned about quality regulations and helped in the creation of an innovation cluster. Later, I worked at Universidad ICESI in the creation of the Masters in Innovation Management, where I gained knowledge in innovation processes and strengthened my decision-making and time-managing skills. At last, I've been working at Tecnoquímicas, Colombia's biggest pharmaceutical company, that carries brands such as McKesson and more than 60 others. Here, I've been working on the financial part of marketing. I've learned about extracting useful information from different databases to make market and sales estimations, tracking KPIs, and to propose strategic plans for international territories.
I consider that my studies, the professional experience I've had, the languages I speak, my international experience, and all the skills I've gained during all this process makes me a really good candidate for the job. But ultimately, what makes me the best candidate for the job is that what I am is aligned with what the company is.
Just as UPS, I'm a person that firmly believes in the value of people, in friendship, and that without a team you will be lost in the pursuit of your goals. I believe in accuracy, efficiency, and in making the effort of doing my job as flawless as possible.